Hey everyone, this is Andy back with another video. Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be trying and put on the steering wheel cover for my Acura TL. I bought a kit that is actually from eBay. This is a steering wheel cover. It's basically custom made to fit the steering wheel of the 04 to 06 Acura TLs. So it comes with the cover and sort of like a sewing kit. So I'm going to be placing on the steering wheel here. I'm going to remove this cover and I'm going to try to put it on. It's going to take a while, a tedious process, but I'm going to show you some quick steps how to do it. Okay, for the first step, you would have to get this double-sided tape and run it on this middle of steering wheel cover, and this double-sided tape, so you're gonna have to peel it out, and then you're gonna have to make sure you line it correctly with the grooves of the steering wheel. Like up here, there's two grooves up here, and it basically matches up with the grooves of the steering wheel. These two are here, so you just gotta line it up and put it on. All right, so I got half of the steering wheel done. So you can see here, I tucked this leather part in here, so it basically stitched around it. So there's like the stitching. So I still gotta do the rest. It's basically just gotta find the right angle to start stitching the whole steering wheel. So I will be right back when it's almost done. All right, so I'm back. So I've just finished all the stitching all around. So you can see here, it's not the best, but you know, it's do it yourself. So this is fine for its purpose. So it's just a steering wheel cover, you know, doesn't need to look professional, but this kit right here, you need to like put double-sided tape. I already put on one side, and then you just got to put double-sided tape here, just making it flat against the steering column. So that's about it. All right, just subscribe to my videos and like my channel. See you in the next video.